Ever wondered if Google Maps has a bird's eye view of your humble abode? Let's find out. First things first, fire up Google Maps, either on your computer or your smartphone. The process is pretty similar on both. See that search bar at the top? That's your magic portal. Type in your full address, including your street number, street name, city, and state. As you type, Google Maps will likely offer suggestions. Select your address from the list. Voila! Google Maps should center right on your house now. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Layers. Click on it. Select Satellite. This switches to a satellite view, giving you a real aerial snapshot of your property. There it is. Zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons on the screen to get a better look. Now, for an even closer inspection, look for the little yellow figure icon. It's usually located on the bottom right corner. Click and drag that little figure onto the street closest to your house. Release the mouse button, and bam! You're in Street View. You can now virtually stroll down the street and see your house from ground level. A quick note about privacy: Google blurs faces and license plates for obvious reasons, but if you're concerned about sensitive details of your property being visible, you can request Google to blur your house further. Just search Google for how to blur your house on Google Maps, and you'll find detailed instructions on how to submit a request. It's a pretty straightforward process, and that's it. Now you know how to find your house on Google Maps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more map tricks.